brothers in the arena at the exact same time.
You've been gone. It's happened.
When did this happen? I was only going one show, man. Hey, I had to go up north and wrestle JCW. That was just amazing, man.
How about sibling rivalry? Here you go. Let him get in the ring. I did.
So, is this an actual match?
I guess so. There you go.
Is it triple threat, I believe?
I got the bigger bell.
It is a three-way, triple threat?
No, I got the bigger bell.
Oh, you got the bigger bell? It ain't about the bells they have.
Oh, it's all about the bell.
It's just how you ring them.
Well, we don't know what this is. I think they're just
I'm going to say it's a
brothers.
triple threat. I'm not 100%
I
sure.
think it's just brothers beating each other up. They're just doing it out in public instead of like at home. I thought this was wrestling and not Jerry Springer.
I'm not sure anymore, huh? With a suplex. Lee Jones with a back elbow to the throat of Tony Marcus. What a snapmare. Rear naked chokehold.
What is this, gang up on older brother? Well, I don't know the ages of all of them.
I don't know either. I'm not sure.
Is this working? Okay. Lee, the only thing he can do is kick people.
With a 1 count.
Come on, Tony. Show him who's the boss.
We need to get the bell on Tony.
Wow, isn't that incest?
Seems like the fans are chanting for Tony Marcus Jones. Got the odd stack of this one. I mean, even though he is the commissioner of BCW, his other two brothers are pretty sneaky guys. I'm really curious to see what they have rolled up their sleeves for this.
Tony.
There's celebration from Tony.
You started it, Lee.
Jack's the weak link. Just take him out. You know he's the weak link.
You guys started it.
He'll take you out when you want it.
Watch out, Tony.
Should have taken my offer.
With a 2 count.
Wow. You really don't know who's with who. Kind of keep on flopping back and
Oh yeah,
forth.
it's just an all-out brawl. I'm thinking it's a triple threat.
Like I said, it's just sibling rivalry. You know, they should be doing this at home.
Are you Tony Slatton?
But this is a lot funnier, though.
You want comic relief, I guess.
El Gringo? And I am...
Come on, Tony, you can do it.
I'm Mr. Sacco.
You can do it, Tony.
I'm Mr. Sacco.
Come on. And that. Oh, bye.
Come on, Tony. Don't let him treat you like that.
Not mystery.
Show him who's the boss.
El
Not
Gringo.
between the legs.
Miss Sacco.
When he's
No.
trying to go for a play release.
Sacco.
Something.
Yeah, actually, that would be the
Technical release.
that would be the Scorpions deadlock there.
Yeah. I remember that one.
That is the weirdest rope break I've ever seen. That actually shouldn't even count there, considering that rope is broke. That rope doesn't even need to be in the ring. Somebody's going to get seriously hurt.
Fight.
That's a whole new definition of a rope break. Looks like the crowd's behind Tony Marcus Jones with the roll up. Vicious elbow to the back. Switching, flopping, all kinds of
I
weird.
know, I was fixing to say something. Jack flopping everywhere. Wait.
That's the quickest I've ever seen Jack move in his whole entire career.
He moves pretty fast when he's hurt. Come on, Tony. Come on, people.
They should come and remove that fucking rope.
Somebody
Tony,
get that rope there out of the ring before somebody gets seriously hurt. Yeah,
I get it.
they're all fine.
I saw that coming.
I have no idea what is going on with this match.
Tony, is this a triple threat or what? Okay, we're trying to figure it out.
Hey, Tony.
Yeah, somebody definitely needs to get that rope out of the ring before somebody gets hurt.
Come on, Tony. There you
There
go.
we go.
Thanks, Tony. Get him. Ah,
Seems the crowd's chanting for Tony. Seems like they're completely behind him wanting to win this one.
well, you pretty much have two people against him. Pretty much taking on two
Look
at a
at a
time.
modified kick there somehow. Trying to do a roundhouse though, seems like. It's
Tony,
almost a stunner. Both pinned. So I'm confused on who the winner is though. There was two, both of them pinned him at the same time. But although this was a triple threat, I guess go ahead and ring the bell, Howard. I'm gonna guess it's
Tony
I'm not
said it
even
was
sure.
triple threat. Don't you have to take the other guy out too? Isn't that what?
I'm not real sure. From what I've seen, Jack and Lee Richard both are both the winners of this match.
Yeah, that's what it looked like.
Looks like we're gonna have another feud going on.
Another one.
Well, let's say the feud there, Hawk. They're both pinned him, so technically they're both the winners.
Yeah.
They're raising each other's hands. I guess we're gonna start teaming up together or something. Oh, maybe not.
They leave you thinking. I think they're just trying to, you know.
I'm confused with the whole thing there, Hawk.
It's all about the drama. It's all about the drama. That one guy won. You're not that important, Lee. Lee, you're not that important. You should. I think you'll be funny.
Who thinks I should go in there and attack? Who wants to say something?